Will be talk about the customer journey or the life cycle of the marketing. The marketing peoples will be create different campaigns like email campaigns or social media campaigns. Just take the examples of the email campaigns. The marketing peoples will be schedule the email campaigns and they will be send the emails to the potential customers, and after the sending the emails the customer will be open the inbox and they will be able to see the different, we can say, the deals into the inbox, and they will be click on the deals. After clicking on the deals they will be land on the website, they will be purchase, or what will be happen, like they will be show the interest on the website, and automatically the customers will be like show some interest on the product, and the system will be capture this interest into the system, and the salespeople will be contact with the customers, and they will be interact with the customers, and they will be convert these potential customers into the leads, and the journey will be start like potential customers will be converted into the leads, then like the different codes are created and these leads are converted into the customers. So like this way, this is the like we need to send the right messages at the right time, and we need to convert more leads using the marketing campaigns. So I'll show you practically how these emails look like. So I'm just opening my email and you are able to see that I just got the eliminator marketing like email marketing campaigns in my inbox. You are able to see like how the rich UI they have created. So they have not created this rich UI using the like coding, using the different like using the like editors uh, provided in a Microsoft Dynamics 365. Just drag and drop, they will create the rich UI email marketing. So you are able to see like the same information is given here. Also like some of the events like events information is shown here, like at the what time these events will be occur, and what will be happen, like I'll just click on this save your spot, and automatically it will be open the event registration page. So after clicking on this, yes, the same whatever I'm able to see in the email I'm able to see on the web page. So this is the landing page. So this page is specifically created for the marketing campaigns. So everything like means the like who is the speaker, right? What information I'll get from this like event, everything is described on this landing page at the what time this event will occur. So what I need to do is that I just need to click on save your spot. I just need to be log in using the email address and my name, and automatically the lead will be created. So like this way the customer journey will be start. I hope that you'll be get the idea that how the marketing will be work. So let's meet in a next video.